Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to today's video. So today I have a huge haul of drugstore makeup. I needed to stock up on some things and they had a buy two get one free deal at Fred Meyer. That's where I went. And so I kind of just stocked up and grabbed a bunch of random stuff. So if you guys want to see all the things that I got, let's get into the video. So let me take everything out of the bag because I don't want to be doing this the whole video, you know? So I totally forgot a couple of the things that I got because it's been like 5 days. I just wanted to film a haul and haven't gotten to it yet. First thing, the main reason I was going is because I was out of my Real Techniques beauty sponge. They usually have like a pack of 2 or a pack of 4 or even just a single by itself. They didn't have any of that. So I got this with the little case in it, which I don't think I'll use that. I don't know. I just needed one. And I ended up going the other day and getting a pack of 2 also because I needed more. Also, before I forget, so Fred Meyer is like a big grocery store kind of all-in-one thing. Like they have clothing and a bunch of other stuff too. But so they had this buy 2 get 1 free deal of any brand, like any makeup, all the like a lot of skincare and stuff. So I spent my time like shopping. If I was getting foundation, I usually get 2 colors of a foundation anyways. So I was like, I'll just try a third. So then that one's free. Then I get up and when they were ringing everything up, it was only taking off the price of the like very, very least items, which I have a lot of e.l.f. items like that are only like $2 or $3. So let's say I was getting 3 foundations at $10 each. I should be getting $10 off, you know, one of those free. Instead of doing that, it was taking the 2 foundations and giving me a $2 item for free. So I was like, wait, like why isn't it, you know, doing it evenly and like taking the next, like the equal item? And they were like, that's just not how it works. We can't, you know, change it. And I was like, well, I'm not gonna like pay that much more because I should be getting a free item like equal or lesser price. So I ended up having to go to the self-checkout and check out like 10 different transactions because it wasn't letting me do it any other way. So that was fun. If you guys are doing that anywhere, make sure you're getting the best deal and they're not just giving you the like really, really inexpensive things for free. Like make sure you're getting what you think you're getting. Okay, now let's get back into stuff. I also got some cotton rounds, just that's boring, but I needed them. So some of these things were inspired by Stephanie Lita here on YouTube. She was doing a full face of e.l.f. products, like newer e.l.f. stuff. And there was a lot of stuff that I was like, I need to try that. Like I haven't seen that, I haven't tried it. So I went and got a bunch of e.l.f. stuff. So I really wanted to try this e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. So let me see. That's like a really nice golden shade. So that might be nice, like under your foundation and just kind of like beaming through. That could be really nice. And it feels nice too. It's not like a hydrating primer, but it does feel nice. So I stocked up on my camo concealers, just got 2 different colors because I needed more, medium beige and light sand. I don't remember what shade I usually use, but I feel like they were out of a couple shades, so these might not be the right ones, but I just got them anyways. And then I wanted to try out their foundation. I've never tried an e.l.f. foundation. This is the the Flawless Satin Foundation. I got the shade Vanilla. I felt like they didn't have very many shades of this either, so I have no idea if it's gonna work, but it looks nice. It's in a glass bottle, so I got one of these Milani blushes. I have the baked ones, or I used to have more of the baked ones. I got rid of a couple, but I really love Luminoso, but I haven't tried their matte ones. So this is the shade Romantic Rose, and I just thought it looked really pretty. So that's it right there. I don't know if you can even see it. So we'll have to see about that, but I just wanted to try that out because I love Luminoso so much. Another blush I got is the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky. This one just looked really nice. I don't think I've tried an e.l.f. blush before either. So let's swatch this. So that one's a little lighter than the other one, but they're kind of similar. Then I was really excited about this when Stephanie used it in her video. This is the Luminous Putty Primer from e.l.f. I have the original putty primer and I love it. It helps just like smooth everything out and fill in your pores. So I thought the luminous one looked really cool. So it's just like that. I don't know if you can even see anything, but I put it right here. So that should help just kind of luminize your face, but also like fill in your pores. And this I actually like better than a Tarte kind of poreless putty primer, kind of the same situation, but I actually prefer the e.l.f. one. It works better. I used it side by side in a video and the e.l.f. side looked better. So I'm excited to try that. And I think I'll do a video of trying out a lot of these things because a lot of them are new. So, or at least new to me. I don't know how new they are, but you know what I'm saying. Then I saw that they came out with a new line of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is like the coffee ones or coffee themed. I don't know. They smell really good. And I got the shade Chai Genius and Hazelnut Hypnotizer. So they're just really pretty. I like the hazelnut one better so far. The chai one is like a little bit brown. So I'm like, I don't know. Swatch them on my hand. So that's the chai one and the hazelnut. So here's the chai one and the hazelnut. They're just really pretty and they smell so good and they stay on forever. They do get pretty dry and they do like kind of get a little chunky in the middle sometimes. So you have to be careful with these, but I love them. I don't know. I just keep buying more because I love the formula that much. I got 3. Why does that shade look so white right now? I got 3 of the Photo Focus, or 3 of the Wet n Wild foundations. So I got 2 of the original, just the Photo Focus foundation, and I saw that they came out with a dewy one. So I got one of the dewies just because I thought I would love to try that. I love this formula. It hasn't been the best for me lately when I have a lot of breakouts going on. It doesn't give me enough coverage. So I have been using, which I also got more of, the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I needed some more. I was running out. So I grabbed some more of these also. And this is the shade 4 and 6. And I kind of just, I use 4, 5, and 6 sometimes. And I'll just mix and match depending on what my skin tone looks like that day. But this one just gives you more coverage than the Wet n Wild one, but I do love the Photo Focus foundation. I love it so much. Another little e.l.f. thing I found was this Wow Brow Neutral Brown Volumizing Fiber Gel. So I use stuff like this on my brows first so that I have to do less work like with a pencil or a powder. It just helps fill it in and like look more voluminous. Voluminous? So I thought if I could get it for a couple of dollars, why not? So it just comes on a little spoolie like that. You can see like little fibers in there. So I'll have to try this out, but I really like the Benefit one. I think it's the Benefit Gimme Brow. I get all their names mixed up. They have too many like brow things, but it's like $18 or $20 or something. So if I could get it for like $2.99, I think this was, yeah, I'd rather get it for $2.99. Then the cutest things I think I've ever seen, these little tiny bite-sized eyeshadows from e.l.f. They're just so cute. They're just these little tiny palettes. I think they had a couple more shades. They were also out of a lot of shades, which this one right here, the cream and sugar one, this shade is broken. So that sucks. So Stephanie was using a couple of these in her video and I thought they were so cute. Just sucks that one's just broken. Ooh, that feels nice and creamy. Wow. So there's those two shades. Those are the two shimmery shades from the Cream and Sugar palette. Those are nice. And these palettes are $2.99 each. And they're so cute. I can't. I'm gonna test out this blue one. So this one is Carnival Candy. And the blue in here looks really pretty. So let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That is like, that. How are you doing this, Elf? Let's try the matte, like more kind of reddy brown as I dig my fingernail into it. Even the matte colors look really nice. Okay, you guys, go get these little bite size. They're the cutest things, and Stephanie was right. They are amazing. She was saying, she's like, you need to go run and get these right now. And I was like, okay. But no, she was serious. She was not playing around. These are gorgeous. Ooh, there's like a sparkly black in this one. Or like it's like a really dark purpley gray almost. I'm running out of fingers. Okay, I'll swatch this light pink one and then I'll be done swatching these. How? Okay, I don't know what Elf is doing, but they're doing something right with those little eyeshadows, and I need to see what other ones they have and buy them all because those are so nice. That is incredible. Like, it's less than $1 a shadow. So then, because it was buy two get one free, I ended up picking some more nails. They just had some that looked really pretty. I love my plastic glue-on nails. I do not have good luck when it comes to going and getting my nails done. I went the other day and it went bad. I ended up going back the next day and having her take them off because they just looked bad. And I'm like, what do you do when someone's doing your nails and they just start looking bad? Like, I don't know. And I'm bad in that situation. Like, I don't want to say anything. Like, I don't want to be too picky. So I don't know. I just do my own nails. So I just thought these were really pretty. The Kiss ones are just the best. They are making the prettiest stuff lately. I don't know how well you can see it because it's like a white package, but they're just so pretty and sparkly. I think these are Kiss also. And this maroon color, I am like obsessed with it right now. So yes, fake nails. I also got this Instant Lift brow pencil from e.l.f. I don't think I've tried their brow pencil, so I thought I'd try it out. I've been like slowly running out of all my brow pencils. So I thought might as well try a cheap one before I go restock on a more expensive one. Then I have just 3 final products from e.l.f. These are all lip products. We have a lip plumping gloss, which looks really pretty. I don't know if you can even see. It's not like a sparkle. It's just like a light shimmer. Yeah, it feels nice. Smells good. Now I don't know if it actually plumps or not, but oh, I can feel it tingling. Okay, it probably does plump. So this is Seriously Satin Cream Lipstick. I think Seriously Satin is the name of it. So it just is like a clear tube. I mean, this is giving me like my teenager vibes, like when I was in junior high wearing makeup. But whatever, it's only a couple bucks. So let's test this shade. Can you see it? It's pretty pink. It looks a little more nude in the tube, and then on at least my skin tone, it's looking pretty pink. So I don't know how that's gonna work for me, but for a couple bucks, I will try it out. And then the final thing is this liquid matte lipstick in the shade Blushing Rose. It kind of smells like vanilla, but also like a plasticky scent. So that's that right there. It's more like a mauve shade. So that could be pretty. Ooh, that with this in the middle to give you like the ombre look, like those two colors look so nice together. I don't know how well you can see it, but in person, yeah, that would look really, really good. All right, that is it for my drugstore haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the little notification bell if you want to get notified every time I upload, every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.